What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. So I'm starting something new today and I'm pretty much excited about this. Every single day there's a new AI tool dropping, new softwares, new products, all promising to change the way you work, save your hours and make you more productive. But here's the thing, most of us didn't get the time to actually try them, and are they actually worth it or are they just a hype, and who are them for? That's exactly what this series is about. In every video, I'm going to pick fresh AI software based tools and try them out for the very first time, live in the video right here with you. Not prep, no scripted, just the demos. Just me discovering it the same way you would. And while we go through it, we will break down the stuff that actually matters. What this product is for, who is it built for, what you can actually use it for, whether it generally boosts your productivity or not, or whether it's just another tool that looks cool but doesn't deliver. So if you are someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve without wasting your own time testing 100 of different tools, you are at the right place. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos for it, and let's get started. So here is our first AI product and its name is called Brew, and it says that it is like a cloud designed for the email marketing. Let me be honest, how I got this application is I majorly search on the product hunt and on the news, so I got this from the product hunt and its name is Brew. So let's start. Let's explore the website first. This is the landing page. They are saying what email can I help you. Brew, I will describe the email what I want, but let's look more on the website. Turn emails into revenues. Yeah, we have to turn the emails into revenues. That's a good line. Create beautiful on branding emails, campaigns and automations with AI. That's a good one. Create beautiful on brands emails with AI. Improve open rates, click through rates, and with AI that understands your brand. Remix templates. Take any templates and make it your own with your AI customization. Okay. Turn every sign up into revenue with automations, code, real-time analytics, integrations, landing box. A note from the team: email marketing should be the highest ROI channel. Okay, so here's the video.
Welcome to Brew,
where you can. I guess it's very long.
From there,
I'm not gonna watch it fully. It's a demo and I actually don't like to watch the demos. I just first try it myself. If I don't get any things which I want to know, then I watch the videos. Okay, so product, they have 3 products: create AI emails with AI, edit with AI like in Lovable, okay, with natural language prompts. Okay, just you have to give the natural language prompt and it will edit the email, which the ChatGPT can also do. Build complex automations with AI. Okay, we can also do this and send all email types. Send emails directly through Brew or your existing ESP. Good. Let's go to the pricing later. Here's the template. Yeah, a lot of templates are available here. You can look for it. Integrations. I can integrate with a lot of applications. To the blogs. There are a lot of blogs which people post. That's very good for the SEO. And here are some docs which I going to read. If I don't need it, I'm just gonna sign it up. So here's on-brand email. Get started. What you do, you can brand your brand. So then name has come. Watch the demo if I want. Setting up for the data cluster. I don't watch the demos. It will take some minutes to set up, like some images may appear shortly after this. It is reading my website and understanding what our website do. It has created the design. It has extracted the colors from the website and the logo. I'm just gonna continue. Domain name, it needs mail.gmail.com. Do it later. View brand, skip it for now. And this is the landing screen. Here are your campaigns. On the left side, it's home, campaigns and templates, brand, audience, analytics and integration. I'm just gonna create email, create. So this is the prompt which I have given. You can add your files which you need and I'm just gonna enter it. So let's see, as I have given it my domain, will it scratch it from that or not? So it is, I will create a campaign email announcing our expansion into Agentic AI datasets. So what our company do is it is an dataset company. So it is expanding, creating me the things, email. Let's wait for it. So it is creating the design. It has scratched an image from the website and introducing AI agentic datasets. What is an agentic datasets? Okay, I have just given a small prompt. I will create. It is creating me the whole design. So it's like a cloud design, as they already mentioned. It's like a cloud design where you can edit and do all the things, but for especially for the marketing, email marketing. I guess it has created the whole email. What it has done is introducing agentic datasets, written some content. Then what is agentic dataset? Some steps, step level rejections, real world grounding, ethically sourced, and some more images. Why this matters for your workflow, and be the first in the line for the agentic collection, and you can explore our datasets. And here you can edit each and everything. Like for example, if I just want to not want this image, I can just go and delete it. If I don't want these things, I can just go and delete all the three things. That's good. I don't know why it is refreshing. It is refreshing again and again, which is causing some issues, but it's manageable. And here are the links. And are the links actually working? Okay, it is correct links. These are the correct links. Okay, that's great thing. So it has done all the research background, written my location too. Be first in the line. That's good. I initially, for the first view and for the first feedback, I actually like it. And here you can just move it. You can write the HTML code too, connect it with Figma and recreate email from image. You can create an email from the image. Okay, and here's the list view. It's the canvas view. Okay, and if I want to change, so this is another prompt I am going to follow up in this. So it has taken the describe. So I am given the prompt as change the image into generated images for the agentic AI datasets. So let's see, does it will generate the images for me or not. And here are on the left side, here are all your credits, which is looking, I have 416 credits. So they are giving you total of 500 credits. And since you can send 1k left, I can send 1k emails. That's very good. But the costing starts here is $49, which is very expensive as compared to the any other email sending tools. For example, if I go to Brew or MailChimp, they are costing me around 10 to 15 or maximum $20 for the starter pack. But this is more than double of it. Then the growth pack, it's $99, and for the pro it's $250, which is a lot for giving 200 emails and 200k emails, and that's a lot. But as compared to the other providers, email senders, the pricing are very high. Let's go and check our new image. So it has created me the image about the agentic AI. That's good. But what it is doing is it is creating the whole new email. As you know already, I have already deleted these things, but it has come again. And above you can check it is for the desktop view or the mobile view. This is how it will look in the mobile and desktop view. So there are two versions, V1 and V2. I guess it's the model versions they have, and from here I can test it and I can directly send it. And on the new options you get tab, clone, and some other things. So let's test this. I'm just gonna test to my another email, send a preview. So the preview has been sent. Let me check it to my Gmail. Here's the preview which I got from the Brew. As you can see, preview email. Initially, it is looking very good in the email format. A new direction introducing agentic AI. Here's my logo. The image has also come, which I can download from here. So I really like this, but it is coming as powered by Brew, which you can remove by paying for the subscriptions. And now for the sending, I can just click here send, and I can export the template, or I can just send this email directly to the recipients, or I can add the export this as a template and connect it later. So I'm just gonna Brew it directly. No verified domain. I have to verify my domain first, because as you are sending it from the email which you have given, you have to verify it. That's good. Reply, I can reply to them. I can put the subject, and here's the preview which I can give. And here's the audience which I can select. From the audience I have to import all the contacts. So this is for the campaigns. It has created me an email, but on the top there is campaigns and automations. I will just click on the automations, and here you can make the automation which you want. I will just create automation, and it is not allowing me to select any of this, because you have to do first the integrations. I don't have any of the one available for me right now. What currently they are giving is Stripe, Shopify, Revenue Cat, Supabase, Work OS, Stitch, and Clerk. These are the things which is available, and you can create your custom HTTP trigger. Means on your website, if someone add something in your cart, you can just select it and it will create a trigger according to it. And on their YouTube channel, they have not put any of the videos regarding the automation. I cannot find any of the automation like on branding, workcraft, email with AI, and they are showing just how to verify, getting started with Brew. You can export contacts and do all the things, but I guess they have not shown any of the videos regarding the, especially for the automation, because they are giving very limited options to automate, which majorly people don't use any of this. I've never heard I've heard only of the three, which is Stripe, Shopify, and Supabase. None, and other than that, I've never heard any of them. And on the brand, it is about the brand. You have given the domain, and it has scratched all the things like what is the product or description. So, and for the voice and positioning, you can customize it according to yourself. You can create your themes. If you want, like if I want to change my primary color and secondary color to this, it will change it like according to like this. And assets, you can give more assets, images if you want. And here are the links, like it has already scratched GitHub, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other things. Unsubscribe, you can give the unsubscribe button and give the options to unsubscribe. And for the settings, you can add some settings like how you want your tones, professional, friendly, email style, like modern, or any other things. You can do this. And on the audience, you can add your contacts, which would be looking like here, and you can see and send them personally if you want to send. And on the analytics, you can see the emails which you have sent, like automations, events, and campaigns. You can see all of them. And integrations, as we have already talked about, you can integrate some of the items available. And on the dark mode, it's like dark and light mode. And on the settings, what you get is you get the API. You can create an API. You get the AI, which is Claude, Sonnet, Opus. This is for because it's for the design. They are using it for the design, like Claude design, and Gemini 3 Pro for the image generation. And you can select reasoning efforts like none, fast, high, deep, which you can also get in the Claude. And here you can see the usage. I have only done 3 promptings till now, and it has costed me $1.32. Means it's around 120 to 130 rupees, which is a lot. Means you are getting $5 plan for 500 credits. That's okay, but the cost is a bit high. But I am using Claude Opus 4.8, and this is a very expensive model, super expensive model, and it is telling me it has used $1.29 for 367 tokens, 367k tokens. That's a lot. Okay, like as you can see, Claude Opus cost was this percentage of our input given and output. Then I have done 15 calls, token process this much, credits charge. Okay, as it is free, they are not taking any credit cards, up to $5 for usage. And here are some of the use cases which is needed. For example, product launch, welcome new users, promotional, seasonal sales, A/B testing, then newsletters, then welcome series. A lot of use cases are available, which you can find everywhere. Like you can connect WorkOS. Or for example, if I go to the Shopify, you can order confirmation, refund acknowledgement. Now that's it for the tool. Now let's jump on that it is helpful for you and who it is for and why it is needed. So it is like a cloud design, as they already mentioned, cloud design for the email marketing. You can create the emails directly just giving a prompt, which is a very good thing. And one good feature is that it can directly scrap the items from your website. If your website is very good, have all the contents which you actually want to show or sell, it will take directly from the there and make a very good output in the initial prompt. So who it's built for? It is built for the people who want to do all the things in one place. For example, you have to build your emails in one place, doing the designs, and you can directly automate and send the emails directly from this. There are tools available for this, as I have already mentioned their names. You can also try this, but as it is very expensive as compared to the other tools, but it is giving a one feature that you can directly create all the designs from this. What you can actually use it for, you can use it for full automation, creating an email, sending it, and doing it further. So does it generally increase your productivity? As to my usage, I feel not a lot. It is good, means it is giving you designs directly, giving you automations, helping you to send the emails. But the main important thing is it is kind of expensive. So at the end, if you want to try Brew, I have given the link in the description. You can just directly check it and use your $5 credits, which they are providing it for free without giving any credit card. If it finds useful for you, then you can jump on it. But keep a thing in mind that it's a bit costly as compared to any other tools. You can just buy a ChatGPT subscription or an A10 subscription or a Claude subscription in less than half of its subscription. Just keep in mind, you are giving minimum $50 to a tool which is doing some 2 or 3 works, not a lot of things. For example, ChatGPT or Claude or any other Codex or anti-gravity. You can build that automations using anti-gravity or the Claude, which you can find the videos. So yeah, just keep your money wise. If you want to think, let it settle a bit less at the cost, means it can go to the $20, and that would be more useful and more convenient for you. So for right now, you can jump to another tools, just doing some less productive work. For example, you can just create an email on the ChatGPT and just use it on the MailChimp or the Brevo softwares to send the automations and doing the email marketing. That's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Bye bye.